So here the question is a map. Uh, the map shows how Port View town has changed in 2010 compared to 1990. So we can say that the Port View town is a small town which is divided to two, the eastern side and the western side. So this is divided to two. The eastern side, we have a seashore here. It is access to sea, and the waterfront street it gave access to the sea. We have shops to its north, to its south there is a cafe. We have a pier here. The street, Elvin Street, separated the town to east and west, east Portland, Port View, and west Port View. Towards the west of the town, we have three construction: is a resort, a shopping mall, a swimming pool. And we had a golf course, a small golf course, and a large farmland there. This was the thing here. Now, when I go ahead with the changes which happened in 2010, the major change towards the east, as this cafe moved further south, we had additional shops here. We have an added pier here. We had a car park here. These are the developments in the eastern side. And towards the south, the swimming pool. So we had 1, 2, 3 swimming pool. The swimming area is developed, and the park came in place of the farmland. We have the golf course expanded in size. I think it is almost the double. Yes, it's almost the double. Now the resort is transformed. It's reconstructed to 5-star hotel, and shopping mall is reconstructed to shopping complex. So these are the things which we can see. Now let's see how this massive data can be accommodated in our task. I need to reduce the word count here. So here, let me see. So this is the introduction. When we see the introduction, I'll make mark. Developments which happened to Port View. It's a coastal town in 2010 when compared to how it was in 1990 are portrayed in the given chart. So the developments are portrayed in the given charts. So what are the developments? The developments are explained here. So developments which happened to the Port View, a coastal town, in 2020 when compared to how it was in 1990. How it was in 1990, that's also we are explaining in this thing. So it is picturized in the given charts. Now I can say overall it can be seen that the town underwent visible changes to make it appear ultra modern to facilitate its residents. You can say the town underwent massive changes to facilitate its own residents. This is what we can see there. So a massive change you can see when in 2010 when compared to 1990, 20 years ago. So that's what we have seen in the overview. And in 1990, how it was. In 1990, from Elvin Street, which bifurcated the town, I'll be having some grammar there. No? Let's look into it later. The Elvin Street separated the town to two. From Elvin Street, I make this thing. I'll keep it here. So from in 1990, from Elvin Street, which bifurcated the town. So it bifurcated the town. The Waterfront Street gave access to people towards the eastern seashore. Yeah. So from Elvin Street, we had a way towards the east, towards the seashore in the east. Some shops were there at the north of the street, which is the street Waterfront Street. So I have two streets here. Yeah, it is the Waterfront Street. So Waterfront Street gave access to the people towards the seashore. Some shops were there at the north of the street, and towards its south and to its south a small cafe. In the west, the constructions were, number one, a small resort, a large swimming pool, and a shopping mall. There was a small golf course, yes, and at the west of the resort, where the golf course, it was immediately to the west of the resort. And a large farmland adjacent to it, near to it, we had a large farmland. This was the condition in 1990. So in 2010, new shops came to the south of the Waterfront Street. So towards the south of the Waterfront Street, we had new shops, pushing the cafe towards further south. So we had the cafe position near to the Waterfront Street. Now it has moved little more south. An additional south side pier. So I have not mentioned the north side pier because there was only north side pier before. So an additional south side pier, in the sense, it gives you an idea that the pier was there. The north side pier was already there. So I didn't repeat that. So from this point, I can understand that south side pier is there in addition to the north side pier. So north side pier was already there. So additional south side pier. And a car park at the north were other development. So other developments, car park at the north and additional south side pier. So these were the other developments in the eastern port view. So we have eastern port view and the southern. Three major reconstructions were there at the west. Now the west, we have three major reconstructions. Reconstruction number one, the small resort at the north to a 5-star hotel, the shopping mall to a shopping complex, and the swimming pool to a swimming area, which had 3 pools. To the immediate west of the hotel, the golf course was expanded and the farmland got transformed to a large park. So these are the developments which we can see in 2010 when compared to this 1990. So I have given, so this was the question. I have given a clear-cut introduction, an overview. In 1990, what was the situation? In 2010, how it changed. I hope you have understood this thing.